Hello, very good morning students. I am your science teacher Siraj sir, and today we will solve the exercise of lesson number 1, that is reproduction in plants. Let's start. Exercise number 1, fill in the blanks with correct word. See, question number 1, seed of dash have hook to stick to animal. Okay, we already learned which seed have a hook like structure. Okay, your answer is cockleber. Okay, cockleburs are the seeds that have hook like structure that stick to the animal. Question number 2, fruit of dash burst upon when they ripe. Okay, coconut is a fruit that bursts. No, coconut is flowed through the water. Okay, dispersed by water. Then which? Poppy. Okay, poppy is a fruit that bursts when they are ripened. Your answer is poppy. Next, third one is the roots of dash can grow into a new plant. Okay, try try to understand. Okay, this is a potato and option are sweet potato. So potato are reproduced through the stem. Okay, sweet potato is an example that reproduce, that grow into a new plants to the roots. So your correct answer is roots. Next, fourth one is the stem of dash can grow into a new plant. Options are banana and bryophyllum. So your answer is banana. Okay, banana tree, of the stem of banana tree can grow into a new plant. Then question number 5 is most seed have dash cotyledon. Okay, when you open the seed you see the two part. Okay, so two cotyledons mostly the seed contains. Okay, next is the dash has a tiny hole through which water enters, that is seed codes. Okay, the uppermost part is seed cord. In that there is a tiny small hole. Okay, from that water enters in the seed. Seventh question is seeds of coconut are dispersed by wind or water. Then your answer is water. Coconut seed is dispersed by water. Question number 8, rice is a dash crop. Rice is a summer crop or a winter crop. Your answer is rice is a summer crop. Ninth one, wheat and gram are dash, kharif crop or rabi crop. Your answer is rabi crop. Rabi crop are also called winter crop. Okay, so this is the fill in the blanks. Now let's start exercise number 2, that is choose the correct option. Question number 1, stored food for the baby plant. Okay, what is the question? Stored food for the baby plant. See the option cotyledon, seedling, seed coat and root. So in seed, where the food is stored? In cotyledon. Okay, foods are stored in cotyledon. Okay, next question is protect the embryo. Which part of the seed protect the embryo? See the options. Option A is cotyledon, option B is seedling, option C is seed coat, and option 4 is root. So your answer is seed coat. Okay, seed coat is the outermost part, it protects the embryo. Third one is dispersed by exploding. What is mean by exploding? When the fruit get ripened, it can burst. Okay, so so seeds get dispersed. Which are the examples? See, there are four examples are given. Number one is maple. Maple is dispersed by wind. Okay. Then mango. Mango is dispersed by wind. Then coconut. Coconut is dispersed by water. So poppy. Poppy is the only seed that dispersed by exploding. So your correct answer is B, poppy. Okay. Now fourth, cockleber is dispersed by, okay, how cockleber get dispersed? So first think about is cockleber is a hook like and spike like structure. Okay, so are they dispersed by the animals? So correct answer is C, animals. Question number 5, the plants whose leaves can give rise to a new plant. Okay, below which plant in which leaves are grows into new plant? Is it potato? No. Potato? No. Rose? No. Wrong answer. Beetroot? No. It is also a wrong answer. Then what is the correct answer? Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum leaves that grows into a new plant. So your answer is C. Bryophyllum. Now define the following. Definition number 1, reproduction. Okay, what is mean by reproduction? We have already discussed in lecture. The production of new organism of the same kind is called reproduction. So your answer is the process by which living organism produce new organism is called reproduction. Second is germination. What is mean by germination? Seed grows into a young plant is called germination. The process by which a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. Number 3 is dispersal. What is means by dispersal? Okay, we have already discussed the scattering the seed, okay, from parent plant is called dispersal. So let's read the definition. The process by which seeds and fruits are scattered away from the parent plants are called dispersal. So there are 3 definitions. Now short question answer. Question number 1, what are the 2 conditions required for germination? याद करो बधाई. Which condition are required for germination? Yes, there are 2 conditions. Number 1 is enough water, light and air. This is the first condition. Second is nutrient rich soil. So these are the 2 conditions are required for germination. If these 2 conditions are not followed, then seed are not able to grow into a new plant. Okay, question number 2, what is the role of cotyledon? What is the role of cotyledon? See, first part is a seed coat, second is a cotyledon. Okay, so what is the role of cotyledon? We have already discussed. If you not remember, then watch the video number 1 again. Okay, what is the role of cotyledon? Cotyledon has a stored food. Okay, so it is used for growing into a new plant. Question number 4, why do plants need to disperse their seed? Okay, why scattering of seed occur? Because plant need to grow into a new plant. Okay, plant undergoes a reproduction process, that's why they need to do dispersion of the seed. Read the answer. Plants need to disperse their seed for reproduction and to grow into a new baby plant. Okay, question number 4, too much easy question, very easy. Name the different method for seed dispersal. Okay, please pick which method. Number 1 is dispersal by the wind, Number 2, dispersal by water. Number 3, dispersal by animal. Number 4, dispersal by explosion of the fruits. Example, in wind, seed of maple; by water, seed of coconut; by animal, seed of cockleber; and by explosion, seed of poppy, pea, etc. So this is your answer. So is it clear about the seed dispersal method? There are 4 methods: dispersal by wind, okay, dispersal by wind, water, animals, and explosion of the fruits. And what is in the question? Give one example of each. Then see the behind that, dispersal by wind, then your answer example is seed of maple; dispersal by water is seed of coconut; dispersal by animal is seed of cockleber; and explosion of fruit, seeds of poppy. So is it clear? This is a very important question. It may be asked in your test and exams. Okay. Question number 5. What are the different stages involved in agriculture? Okay, we have already discussed. Try to remember it. Okay, if you not remember, then again watch the video number 1 of chapter number 1. See the first point. Which is the first point? Fields are plugged to make soil loose. Okay, what is the first point? Plugging of the soil. Okay, who is doing plugging? Okay, farmers are doing the plugging with the help of a tractor. Second point is addition of a fertilizer to the soil. Okay, why we need to add a fertilizer to the soil? Because if the soil is unfertile, then our seed will not grow into the new plant. So it is very important to add a fertilizer in the soil. Okay, if the soil is nutrient rich, then and then only seed grows into a new plant. Third point is healthy seed. If seed become healthy, then it gives a good quality of crop. Fourth one is irrigation to plants. Irrigation means water is supplied to the plant, is called irrigation. If you not supply the water, then seed will not grow into a new plants. Okay, then fifth one is spraying the chemicals like pesticides and insecticide to kill the pest. If you not spray the chemicals, then what happen? Insects and pests, okay, harm the plants, so it can destroy the plants. So it is very important to spray the chemicals like pesticides and insecticide. And the last point is harvesting of crop, that is when fruit get ripened and the plants are fully grown. At that time, the cutting of the fruits and plants and to keep in a one place gathered, okay, gathering of the plants, that is called harvesting. So these are the 6 major points involved in the agriculture. This is also an important question. Question number 6. What are the 2 types of the crops based on the season in which they are grown? Okay, based on the seasons, that is summer crops and winter crops. Summer crops are called kharif crop, winter crops are called rabi crop. Now examples: summer crop rice and maize, winter crop wheat and gram. Okay, these are the 2 examples. You can write other example also. Now long question answer. Question number 1. Describe the process of germination. First, to know what is meant by germination. Seed grows into a new plant is called germination. So let's start. point number 1, when a proper condition, what is mean by proper condition? That is air, water and nutrient are provided to the seed. What happened? Seed coat break. What is the first step? Seed coat break and new baby plant come out from the seed. A small leaves we are seeing outside the seed. Okay, then second point is roots and shoot develops. Roots are developed in the soil and shoot are developed from above the soil, that is in atmosphere, in air. After that, leaves on the shoot upon, બરાબર, ઉપરના ભાગમાં લીફ છે આપણને જોવા મળે, and leaf is used for making food. So this process is called a seedling. It is a very important point. Leaf on shoot open and make food is called seedling. Okay, then plants absorb water and nutrient from the soil, then cotyledon will disappear and it become a new plant. So is it clear? First point is giving proper condition, second is root and shoot develop, after that leaf get arise, okay, then make food, then plant absorb water and then cotyledon disappear. These are the 5 basic points that are useful in process of germination. So is it clear about the germination? Now question number 2, describe the different methods of seed dispersal. Okay, first, what is mean by dispersal? Okay, what is mean by dispersal? The scattering of the seed from the parent plant is called dispersal. Okay, seed છે parent plant થી ખૂબ જ દૂર વહી જાય છે. Okay, scattered away, that is called dispersal. See method of dispersal. Number 1 is dispersal by the wind. Wind means हवा. Okay, seeds that are light in weight, જેનો વજન ખૂબ જ ઓછો હોય, okay, they are carried away by the wind. Example are seed of maple, seed of cotton. Second is dispersal by water. The seed of plants such as coconut, they are float on the surface of water and they are transferred from one place to the another place. Next method is dispersal by the animals. How it get dispersed by the animals? The seeds have hook or spike like structure. Okay, so they are easily stick to the animals and they are dispersed. Example, seed of cockleber. Last method is dispersal by the explosion of the fruit. Okay, when fruits of some plant get ripened, okay, પાકી જાય છે, ripe થઈ જાય છે, then what happen? They are burst and open, and when it open, the seed gets scattered away from that. For example, seeds of pea, seeds of poppy, etc. are the example. So how many methods are there for seed dispersion? There are 4 methods: dispersal by wind, dispersal by water, dispersal by animal, dispersal by explosion of the fruit. Now question number 3, describe the different stages involved in agriculture. Okay, which stages are involved in the agriculture? First point is fields are plugged to make the soil loose, soft and even. Which is the first point? Farmers are plugging the soil. Okay, why? Because they make soil loose, soft and even. Second point is addition of manure or fertilizer to the soil. Why we are adding fertilizer to the soil? To make soil nutrient rich. Okay, because if the soil is not nutrient rich, then seed not get the nutrient and they are not able to grow. So addition of fertilizer is very important. Third point is selection of healthy seed are to be sown. Why we want to select healthy seed? Because if our seed become healthy, then we get a high quality and large quantity of the plants, that is crop. Fourth point is irrigation to the plant. Okay, what is mean by irrigation? Water is supplied to the plant is called irrigation. If we will not supply the water to plant, okay, then what happen? Our plant will not grow properly. Fifth point, spraying of chemical like pesticides and insecticide to kill the pest. Why we need to kill the pest? If you not kill the pest, then this pest and insect harms your crop, then you not get the enough production and a good quality. So it is important to spray the chemical. And the last and final point is harvesting of the crop. When plant get fully grown and the fruit are ripened, what we have to do? We have to take the fruit, cut that plant and keep gathered in one place. This is called harvesting. So for agriculture, successful agriculture, these are the 6 points that are very important to learn. Okay, so let's revise again very fast from short question answer. Which are the two conditions required for germination? Answer is enough water, light, okay, and air and nutrient rich soil. Then what is the role of cotyledon? It is used to store the food. Next is why plant need to disperse seed? For reproduction and to grow a new plant. Okay, name the different method of seed dispersal. There are 4 methods: dispersal by wind, by water, by animals, and by explosion of the fruits. Next is what are the stage involved? First means plugging of soil, second is addition of fertilizer, third is selection of healthy seed, fourth is irrigation to plant, fifth is spraying the chemicals, and sixth one is harvesting of the crop. Okay, sixth question, what are the two types of the crop based on season? Their answer is summer crop and winter crop. Summer crop is called kharif crop, winter crop is called rabi crop. Okay, long answer, germination. Describe the process of germination. What is the first condition? Proper condition are provided like water, air, okay, and nutrient are provided. Second is root and shoot get developed. Third is leaf on the shoot open and make food. Fifth is plant absorb the water and nutrient from the soil. And last final point is cotyledon will disappear and new plant is grow. Okay, dispersal method. Okay, we already discussed dispersal by the seed. Okay, dispersal by the wind. Example, seed of maple. Dispersal by water. Okay, seed of coconut. Dispersal by animal. Seed of cockleber. Dispersal by explosion of the fruit. Seed of pea, poppy, etc. Okay, the last question, describe the different stages involved in agriculture. Again the same. See, plugging the soil, then addition of fertilizer, selection of a healthy seed, irrigation to the plants, spraying the chemical, harvesting of the crops. Okay, so student, thank you very much for watching video. If you have any doubt regarding the chapter and exercise, first try to watch the video number 1 of the explanation of chapter number 1, then try to learn, okay, the question answer, fill in the blanks and MCQ, and then write down this exercise with solution in your science fair book and start learning. Then if you have more doubts, then you can ask me through the number. Okay, thank you very much, enjoy your day.